Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to switch networks on Uniswap. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Uniswap and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. But now guys, let's see how you can actually first then you need to go and connect your wallet in the top right corner. If you don't know how to do it, we have a separate video on our YouTube channel where you can go and learn how you can do that. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us. In the top left corner, we have, as you can see, the trade, explore, and pool. And we have the search tokens. Also, we have here, as you can see, swap anytime, anywhere, where you can go and swap your tokens. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and switch networks on Uniswap. So, first of all, go to the, of course, profile and click on the token drop-down menu. So you need to go and click on the, of course, token drop-down menu like this. And now you need to, when you do that, choose the network you want to switch to. So for example, when you go click here, you can go and switch networks. So, or of course, when you go on your MetaMask or any wallet, you can go and switch networks. Now choose the network you want to switch. So whichever, and search for and select the token you want to go and then swap. The Uniswap web app will now be on selected network. You can proceed with your swap after that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.